Hi guys, welcome back to Ecosfera Resort and Spa. I'm up at the yoga studio on the 3rd floor enjoying a beautiful wind that's coming through. I think that it's the foreshadowing of a storm that's coming today. Feeling very grounded today and very blissed out. So I think what I want to teach today is a yin class on the liver. And so when we work with the liver, we work with the element of anger when we're talking about traditional Chinese medicine. And so when working with the liver, a lot of things can come up, a lot of frustrations that we might have in our life. And there are certain postures that we can do to kind of ground us when those elements come in, when we feel very, very fiery. So if you live in a very hot place, or if you work in a very chaotic workspace, this is a great practice to do, working with the liver meridian, to really kind of subdue that anger and turn it more into empathy and understanding and patience. And so that's what we're going to work on today. This also overlaps a bit with the lateral lines when we speak about myofascial lines. So we'll do a little bit of lateral lengthening and twists to move into the liver and to work into the lateral lines. So just giving you a little idea of what to expect. But let's go ahead and just start on our backs, get nice and comfortable, and start in a mini shavasana. So just allowing yourself to feel grounded here. Anytime we're working with the liver or the aspect of anger, it's very good to ground ourselves. Also to release the shoulders, especially if we're prone to pronating the shoulders in. So if we're working a lot or if we're always in a hurry, it's very good just to allow the back of the heart space here, the back of the rib cage, to ground into the earth. Feel that deep element of connection with the ground beneath us to kind of just bring peace into the mind. Bring the arms up overhead. Inhale. And take a hold of opposite elbows if you can. If you can't, just keep the arms extended. But work the shoulders over towards the right. Bring the legs over towards the right. And cross the ankles if you can. We just find some length through the left lateral line. And come back through center. You can hold the elbows opposite here. Work the shoulders over to the left. Maybe bring the right ankle on top of the left, just creating that crescent shape over to the left with the body. Come back through center. Allow the arms to come alongside the body. Bend the knees, plant the feet. And just a little bit of Viloma pranayama. So when working with the liver, any breath work here is really good for that grounding and to release any frustration or anger. So bring one hand to heart, one hand to belly. And the way that we're going to do Viloma pranayama is a nice smooth inhalation and an interrupted exhalation. So on the exhalation, we only allow a little bit of breath out at a time. So take an inhale in. Exhale just a bit. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Inhale. Exhale, 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 inhale, exhale, 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 inhale, exhale, exhale, exhale. Last one, inhale, Exhale, 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 exhale. Let the arms go out alongside the body. Bring the right foot on top of the left knee and just drop the left knee over towards the left. Set the right foot down, right knee pointing up to the ceiling. And take the arms wide, look towards the right. So we begin to work into the twist and up the right lateral line here. So again, allowing the shoulders to be grounded. Allow the back of the heart space to still beat into the earth. Come back through central. Set the right foot down. Bring the left foot on top of the right knee. Dorsiflex the toes towards the shin. Drop the knees over towards the right. Left foot almost touching the earth or touching. Turn the head to the left. And come back to center. Knees into the chest and just rock from side to side, releasing the lower lumbar. And cross the right leg over the left, deep bend in the knees. Set the left toes down, hop the hips to the right just an inch, and let the knees fall to the left. So deeper twist, you can goalpost the arms, and let the right shoulder melt down, look to the right. Come back through center. Square the hips, wrap the left leg around the right, set the right toes down, hop the hips to the left just a bit, and drop the knees over towards the right here. Goalpost the arms and look towards the left. Come back to center. Unwrap the legs, knees into the chest. And again, rock from side to side. Rock forward and back. Take about 3 rocks the length of the spine. Massaging the spine each time. And come up to a seat. So we're going to go ahead and keep the right knee bent, right foot into the groin, and stretch the left leg out nice and long. If you have a block, bring a block with you. And bring the left hand to the inside of the left calf, right arm stretching up and over, so find some length through the right side body. If you have a block, bring a block to the inside of the left calf, left elbow on the block, left hand behind the left ear, right arm stretching up and over. You can even bring the right hand behind the head, clasping the fingers, opening the chest. Slowly come up to center. Stretch the right leg out wide. Bring the left foot in to meet the right thigh. Same thing, right hand can set down, left arm stretching up and open. Or you can bring that block to the inside of the right calf, right elbow down. Right hand behind the head, left arm stretching up, and maybe taking a bind of the fingers, opening the chest. So press into the right elbow to keep the chest open, twisting here. Slowly come back up to center. You can move the prop off to the side. And keep the left knee forward and bend the right knee. Bring the right foot to the outside of the left knee. And we're just going to hug that left foot into the right glute. So right knee is on top, pointing towards the ceiling. You're going to hug the right knee in with the left elbow. Turn towards the right. Open the chest here. You can also bring the left elbow outside the right knee, opening the chest a little bit more, looking towards the right, and maybe back towards the right shoulder. And come back to center, switch sides. Cross the left leg over the right. Bring the right foot into the left glutes, left knee pointing up. You can hug the left knee with the right elbow, left hand down behind you, or bring the right elbow outside the left knee, open the chest up. Maybe looking back over the left shoulder, twisting from the belly. And slowly come back to center. Leaning over to the right, bring the feet back behind you and just sit back onto the heels. On an inhale, we'll stretch the arms up. And on the exhale, bring the hands forward, palms shining forward. Clasp the thumbs together, press the palms out. Inhale, reach up. Open the heart. And exhale, undo the bind, round the spine, circle the palms forward. Inhale, clasp the hands, send the arms up, open the chest. Exhale, circle the arms forward, round the back, palms together. Inhale, bind, open the chest, back bend. And exhale, round the spine, palms together, forward. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And this time, inhale, reach up. And exhale, bring the right hand down to the right side. Bring the hips over to the left heel. Reach the left arm up and over. Inhale, reach the left arm through center and down. Switch the hips to the right heel. Right arm stretching up and over. Open the chest. Inhale, reach the right arm forward, hips to the left heel, left hand down, reaching up. Inhale, left arm forward, hips to the right heel, left palm down, reaching the right arm up. Twice more. Inhale, forward, hips to the left heel, right hand down, left arm reaching up. Last one. Inhale, left arm forward. Hips to the right heel, right arm reaching up and open. Come back to center. Allow the hands to rest on the thighs. Palms shining up, right hand placed on top of the left, thumbs together. And just allow a sense of grounding here. Bring both palms over the heart space. Just feel the heart moving in and out of that right palm. Take a deep breath in, deep sigh out. Bring hands in Anjali Mudra at heart center, bowing down towards self. And just acknowledging that it's okay to get frustrated, it's okay to get mad, it's okay to be angry. There are many things in life that bring these emotions up, but allowing yourself to feel them and then release their power. Bring thumbs between third eye center, bowing down towards the earth. That supports and grounds you. Let me say namaste. Thank you, guys. I hope that if you came to the yoga mat feeling a bit of frustration or anger, that you leave feeling a little bit of clarity and peace of mind. Acknowledging that yoga can definitely be very nourishing and healing for the mind. I'm glad that you took your first step to step onto the mat today and do a little bit of that self-work. If you would like to join me again in any yoga classes, you can find me online at youtube.com/Echo Giselle Woodmer. And for retreats and trainings, you can find me at echoflowyoga.com or echo_around the world. I hope that yoga is as special and healing and nourishing for you as it is for me. And I feel very grateful that you let me lead you in your practice today. And I hope to see you again sometime soon.